Hey guys, Dave Ramsey here. In this video we're going to talk about 2 hacks to live a longer life. Obviously there's multiple stuff that can help you live longer. Not eating Twinkies every day, or an entire pack of Oreos. Not that I've ever eaten an entire pack of Oreos. I don't know who could do that. Hack number 1 that I want to talk to you about is laughter. Laugh more, guys. I feel like sometimes we take life too serious, and we take ourselves too serious. Except me. I don't. You know, I was running out of Target one time, and because I forgot my wallet, so I was at the self-checkout, and I just started booking it to the car. I was like, I can make it back in time. And the automatic doors, you know, they open. Well, automatic doors. Well, one of them didn't open, and I was trucking full speed, and wham! I ran right into the door, knocked it off the hinge, and instead of getting mad, I just started to laugh. I was like, you know, I hope somebody else saw that so that they got a good laugh out too. Laughter really does you good like a medicine, guys. It's been scientifically proven that laughter can release nitric oxide into your body, which helps increase blood flow. Healthy. Laughter, when it produces the hormones into your body, it reduces other stress hormones that may have been released into your body, such as cortisol or epinephrine. Yes, I got those words right. I've been practicing all day. And laughter is contagious, so chances are if you're laughing, you might make somebody's day better, or vice versa. The last point that I want to bring up about laughter is that when you're doing it in a group setting, when you're with your group of friends or family, co-workers, and somebody just cracked a joke and you're all laughing together, doesn't it give you that sense of like, I belong here, like I belong, like these people like me. So laughter makes you have that sense of community and that you belong. So with that, I'm going to give you guys 2 jokes. Now, this is a disclaimer, they may be corny, but they're still jokes. So, let me get them out. So, my collection of vintage kitchen utensils includes one whose intended purpose was always a mystery. It looks like a cross between a metal slotted spoon and a spatula, so I use it as both. When not in use, it's prominently displayed in a decorative ceramic utensil caddy in my kitchen. You know, it's hung up, it's a fancy utensil. You know, it's probably priceless, it's vintage, for crying out loud. But the mystery of this spoon/spatula was recently revealed to me when I was at a yard sale rummaging through, and I found one in its original packaging. Guess what it is, guys? It's a pooper scooper. Yeah, no. Alright, joke number 2. A salesman talked my uncle into buying 10,000 personal pens. Why would you need 10,000 personal pens? I don't know, but it's part of the joke. For his business. Oh, okay, there we go. With the promise that he'd be eligible to win a 32-foot yacht. A born gambler, my uncle agreed. Well, lo and behold, he ended up winning. So a few weeks after his pens arrived, his prize also showed up. It was a 12-inch plastic yacht with 32 plastic feet glued to it. So there's my 2 corny jokes. Cue the laughter. The second hack number 2, that I want to talk to you about is restoration. So a lot of us, everybody included that's watching this, even if it's only 5 of you, a lot of us have been in a predicament where somebody, a friend or family, may have hurt us very deeply, so we said, you know what? That's it, you're cut. You're out of my life. No more. But realistically, are they out of your life? I mean, when their name comes up, or you know, they're going to an event that you know of, doesn't it make you like, and think about it like, how can I avoid going there? How can I do this? It's causing all of those stress hormones to stack up, and it's not doing you any good. Forget about what it's doing for them. You know, forget about that. Even if you're just focusing on what it's doing to you, it's not doing good to you at all. So I want to challenge you to trying to release that anger, and you know, maybe even shoot them a text and say, hey, I forgive you. Those are powerful words. It does not mean that you have to be their bud and you guys have to be in the same point that you were on before, but those 3 words can make such a huge difference, definitely in your life, and probably a really good chance of doing so in their life as well too. So I want to encourage you guys to do that. Now, if you did that after watching this video, I want you guys to comment below so you can be an example to encourage other people as well too. But that's all I have for you guys today. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any comments, feel free to leave a comment below. If you want to encourage me like you guys have been doing, I appreciate all of it. I definitely do. Or if you have criticism, yeah, throw that in the garbage. I don't want to hear it. Hope you guys have a great rest of the week. Talk to you later. Bye.